Driving comes with responsibility, and knowing the right signs is key to staying safe on the road. In this video, we're covering 60 must-know road signs that every driver should recognize. Whether you're preparing for a test or just refreshing your knowledge, this is your chance to sharpen your skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future road safety tips. Let's begin. Question 1. What does this road sign indicate? A. Speed limit 100 miles per hour. B. Truck route only. C. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. You're right. C. This sign indicates a maximum speed limit of 20 miles per hour. Question 2. What does this road sign mean? A. No entry for vehicles. B. Horses crossing. C. Shared route for pedal cycles and pedestrians only. That's correct. C. This sign marks a shared route for pedal cycles and pedestrians only. Question 3. Can you identify this road sign? A. Horse crossing. B. Cattle crossing. C. Slow down for pedestrians. Good choice. B. This sign warns drivers about cattle crossing the road. Question 4. What does this road sign indicate? A. Road narrows. B. Tunnel ahead. C. Pedestrian zone. Correct. A. This sign warns that the road is narrowing ahead. Question 5. What does this road sign represent? A. No entry for pedestrians. B. Pedestrians ahead. C. Animal crossing. That's the one. B. This sign warns that pedestrians may be ahead. Question 6. What does this sign indicate? A. Electrified overhead cable, ahead. B. Overhead branches. C. Roadwork zone. Well done. A. This sign warns of electrified overhead cables ahead. Question 7. What does this sign tell drivers? A. Bus stop only. B. No stopping. C. No parking. Correct. B. This sign indicates no stopping is allowed in this area. Question 8. What does this road sign mean? A. Level crossing with gate ahead. B. Stop for children. C. Slow vehicles ahead. Absolutely. A. This sign warns of a level crossing with gates ahead. Question 9. Can you identify this road sign? A. No overtaking zone. B. Pedestrian crossing zone. C. Traffic light ahead. Good choice. C. This sign warns that a traffic light is ahead. Question 10. What does this road sign indicate? A. Dead-end road. B. Mini roundabout. C. End of highway. That's correct. B. This sign marks a mini roundabout. Question 11. What does this road sign mean? A. Roadworks. B. Road closure. C. Road surface damage. You got it. A. This sign indicates that roadworks are in progress. Question 12. What does this road sign indicate? A. Lane ends ahead. B. No U-turns for vehicular traffic. C. No trucks allowed. Well done. B. This sign prohibits U-turns for vehicular traffic. Question 13. Can you identify this road sign? A. One-way street. B. Yield to pedestrians. C. Turn left ahead. Correct. C. This sign directs vehicles to turn left ahead. Question 14. What does this road sign mean? A. Slippery road. B. Wild animals. C. Pedestrian walkway. You're right. B. This sign warns drivers about wild animals crossing. Question 15. What does this road sign indicate? A. End of motorway regulations. B. No entry beyond this point. C. Road ends. Good choice. A. This sign marks the end of motorway regulations. Question 16. What does this road sign mean? A. Pedestrian only. B. One-way traffic. C. Parking only zone. That's correct. B. This sign indicates one-way traffic. Question 18. What does this road sign mean? A. Slow vehicles. B. Steep ascent. C. Intersection with traffic signals. You're right. B. This sign warns of a steep ascent ahead. 19. Can you identify this road sign? A. No entry. B. Keep right. C. Right lane ends. Good choice. A. This sign prohibits entry to a certain area. Question 20. What does this road sign indicate? A. One-way system. B. Roundabout. C. Pedestrian crossing. That's the one. B. This sign marks a roundabout ahead. Question 21. What does this road sign mean? A. End of speed zone. B. Temporary speed limit. C. National speed limit applies. Correct. C. This sign indicates that the national speed limit applies. Question 22. What does this road sign indicate? A. Wet road. B. Loose chippings. C. Bumpy road ahead. You're right. B. This sign warns of loose chippings on the road. Question 23. What does this road sign mean? A. Maximum speed 60 miles per hour. B. Construction zone. C. Slow traffic zone. That's correct. A. This sign indicates the maximum speed limit is 60 miles per hour. Question 24. Can you identify this road sign? A. Children playing zone. B. Zebra crossing. C. Road narrowing. Good choice. B. This sign marks a zebra crossing. Question 25. What does this road sign indicate? A. Slow-moving traffic. B. Pedestrian area. C. Traffic cues. Likely ahead. That's the one. C. This sign warns that traffic cues are likely ahead. Question 26. What does this road sign indicate? A. Parking lot, full. B. Vehicles may be parked partially on the verge. C. No stopping zone. You're right. B. This sign informs that vehicles may be parked partially on the verge. Question 27. What does this road sign mean? A. Buses prohibited. B. Taxi stand. C. Motorbikes prohibited. That's correct. A. This sign indicates that buses are prohibited. Question 28. Can you identify this road sign? A. Public parking only. B. Parking place, reserved for disabled badge holders only. C. No parking after hours. Good choice. B. This sign reserves parking places for disabled badge holders. Question 29. What does this road sign indicate? A. Right lane only. B. Keep left. C. Pedestrian path. Correct. B. This sign instructs drivers to keep left. Question 30. What does this road sign mean? A. Lane. Ends. Right. B. Direction to a motorway at the junction. C. Construction detour. You're right. B. This sign directs traffic towards a motorway at the junction. Question 31. What does this road sign indicate? A. Risk of ice ahead. B. Low visibility. C. Road flooding ahead. That's the one. A. This sign warns about ice hazards ahead. Question 32. What does this road sign mean? A. T intersection. B. Crossroads. C. Roundabout with priority signs. Correct. B. This sign warns of a crossroads ahead. Question 34. What does this road sign mean? A. Truck escape ramp. B. Steep descent. C. Traffic light change. That's correct. B. This sign warns of a steep descent ahead. Question 35. Can you identify this road sign? A. Diversion for motorists traveling to destination. B. Emergency vehicle lane. C. Roadwork detour. Good choice. A. This sign provides a diversion for motorists. Question 36. What does this road sign indicate? A. Pedestrian crossing area. B. No right turn for vehicular traffic. C. Intersection with obstruction. You're right. B. This sign prohibits right turns for vehicular traffic. Question 38. What does this road sign indicate? A. School zone. B. Children going to or from school. C. End of school crossing. Correct. B. This sign warns that children may be going to or from school. Question 39. What does this road sign mean? A. Bend to right. B. Curved road with obstruction. C. No overtaking. You're right. A. This sign warns of a bend to the right. Question 40. What does this road sign indicate? A. Merge right. B. End of dual carriageway. C. Off-ramp only. That's correct. B. This sign marks the end of a dual carriageway. Question 42. What does this road sign indicate? A. Height restriction. B. Low clearance warning. C. No parking for high vehicles. You're right. A. This sign warns of height restrictions. Question 43. What does this road sign mean? A. Dead-end road. B. T-junction, C. Roundabout ends. That's the one. B. This sign warns that a T-junction is ahead. Question 44. What does this road sign indicate? A. Slippery road. B. Icy road conditions. C. Temporary road closure. Correct. A. This sign warns that the road ahead is slippery. Question 46. What does this road sign indicate? A. Passing zone for trucks. B. No overtaking. C. Caution. Slow vehicles. Ahead. That's correct. B. This sign prohibits overtaking. Question 47. What does this road sign mean? A. Narrow lane. Ahead. B. Two-way traffic. C. Lane. Merging ahead. Good choice. B. This sign warns of two-way traffic. Question 48. What does this road sign indicate? A. Goods vehicles prohibited. B. Restricted access to main road. C. No trucks beyond this point. You're right. A. This sign prohibits goods vehicles from entry. Question 49. What does this road sign mean? A. Sidewalk closed. B. Side road. C. Turn to next lane. That's the one. B. This sign warns of a side road ahead. Question 50. What does this road sign indicate? A. Double bend first to the left. B. First left turn. C. Winding road. Correct. A. This sign warns of a double bend, first to the left. Question 53. What does this road sign mean? A. Warning for crossing children. B. Stop. Children crossing. C. School zone. End. Good choice. B. This sign warns drivers to stop for crossing children. Question 57. What does this road sign mean? A. No right turn allowed. B. No left turn for vehicular traffic. C. No entry for private vehicles. That's correct. B. This sign prohibits left turns for vehicular traffic. Question 58. Can you identify this road sign? A. Staggered junction. B. Four-way junction. C. Staggered pedestrian crossing. Good choice. A. This sign warns of a staggered junction ahead. Question 59. What does this road sign indicate? A. Stop. B. Yield. C. Right of way. Correct. B. This sign tells drivers to yield to oncoming traffic. Question 60. What does this road sign mean? A. End of motorway regulations. B. Exit. Ahead for motorway. C. No entry to motorway. You're right. A. This sign marks the end of motorway regulations. Great job on learning these 60 must-know road signs. Knowing these signs is a big step toward becoming a safer, more confident driver. Keep practicing, stay alert, and always follow the rules of the road. Make sure to check out more videos, and we'll see you in the next one.